Hello guys, welcome back. So now here in this session once again, automatic payment program. So guys, lots of things I have explained here in APP, right? Now, if we talk about down payment, in previous session I have covered down payment, right? So if you talk about down payment, generally people prefer manual posting only. Why? Because through APP, dual activities are going to happen. First of all, they have to post down payment request, right? It means, see, SAP is software. It's going to work out based on certain instructions, right? SAP cannot take their own decision. So how SAP will come to know that we have to post a down payment for a particular vendor? So first of all, one instruction is supposed to be given. How instruction is going to be given, guys? In the form of down payment request. So down payment request is what, guys? It's a kind of notification. It's a kind of notification to SAP, right? SAP, I mean to say automatic payment program. And this is why it is called noted item. Okay. Now, but generally, instead of creating a noted item, people will prefer to post it manually itself in the same time they are going to post it, right? Now, that is the one thing. Again, since people are asking during interview, if somebody asks like, can you post a down payment through APP? So if you're not confident, if you have not tested, in that case, sometime you may say yes, sometime you may say no also, right? So that is why I have covered. Now there is one more thing, guys, partial payment. So even this is also going to be asked by people. Can you post a partial payment through APP? Anyone, guys, who say yes, no? Can we post a partial payment? Okay, Movita is saying yes. So guys, of course, yes. Yes, we can do it. But the problem is, but the problem is, uh, the process is not that easy, right? So that is why what is happening, guys, if you check the YouTube videos, you'll be finding multiple videos on automatic payment program where in 30 minutes people have done all the configurations. They'll perform one testing. Now automatic payment program is finished, right? But if you talk about down payment, even in real time also, it is not that much prevalent. If you talk about partial payment, it is not at all preferred by end user to post the partial payment through APP. For the curiosity and all, of course, they will ask. If you're the part of implementation team and the moment testing starts, let's suppose I have educated or we have educated them, we have taught them how to run automatic payment program. So there'll be a question, can we run this APP for down payment also or for partial payment also? So yes, it is possible. But once they see the procedure, then they'll say, no, it's manually itself, it's okay. But we should be knowing, right? Because anybody can be, it can be asked by your end user, it can be asked by interviewer, right? If you know the procedure, we can say, yes, it is possible. And if you know how it is possible, then confidently you guys can answer that how it is possible, right? So yes, no is not going to be reason for your selections or rejections, guys. You must have to justify. If you say yes, you have to provide a justification for yes. If you say no, you have to provide a justification for no. Right? Justification, I mean to say that there was a question in sample document. Can we reverse a sample document? See, the answer is yes or no, right? So if you say yes, then how? If you say no, then why? Right? So why means a kind of justification you have to provide. That yes, it is not a complete transaction. This is incomplete transactions, right? Reversal is possible only for a complete transactions, right? Again, people will ask, okay, you tell me what is the definition of complete transactions or proper transactions as per you, right? So a complete transactions means what is happening, guys? See, for every transactions, whatever transactions are getting posted, a number range is getting created, right? But again, only number range is not the criteria. Even for other, I said like sample document, but that also number is getting created, document number, right? So apart from this, accounting entry must be taken place, and GL balance must be updated. That is a complete transactions, right? But so that is a complete transactions, right? And sample document is not a complete transactions. That is why it is not possible to reverse. We'll come back on the topic. We are talking about, can we post a partial payment through automatic payment program? So I'll just do one thing, guys. I'll have to simplify the process. Now, FEL 1N. Okay, this is already posted. Click on all item. So here you will be getting the exact picture. Now we'll do one thing. For this vendor, post an invoice. So we'll post an invoice in the previous state. Why in previous state, guys? So that it is going to be overdue. $1,000 down payment on current asset exists. How the down payment is, guys? A down payment is also there, right? Okay, the down payment which we posted in the previous session, right? Yesterday. Is this? Okay. Now we'll do one thing, guys. So okay. So now post this. Click on refresh. Okay. So here what is happening, guys? 5,000 worth of invoices there, right? Okay, we'll talk about this invoice itself first. Now let's suppose a 2,000 worth of payment we have received. 2,000 worth of partial payment is going to be made to the vendor. Okay, 2,000 worth of partial payment supposed to be made. Now, so here again the same question is there. This is the invoice, right? Now here the question is, if you have to make a down payment, then how system will come to know? In the same way, if you have to make a partial payment, so how SAP will come to know that partial payment supposed to be made? And that too, partial payment, let's suppose we are having multiple invoices. So against which invoice it is supposed to be, right? How much amount of partial payment is supposed to be posted? Same question is there, right? So now what will happen, guys? So for down payment, what we do, guys? We have to post DPR, right? In the same way, partial payment, we have to post a PPR. DPR means down payment request, right? And PPR means partial payment request, right? Okay. So we just need to see the procedure, guys, how it is going to be. Again, the question is the down payment is going to be posted with the help of ABP or manually. That is not our decision. Partial payment is going to be posted with the help of ABP or manually. It's not our decision. User is going to decide. We have given multiple options, whichever they feel easy, they are going to select that. And of course, manually itself, people prefer. So let's suppose partial payment worth of 2,000. So what we have to do, guys, we have to create a partial payment request first. So I think, okay, how to create this? FS 59, I think. Okay, FS 59. Okay, so now here, let's suppose you are having multiple invoices. So the question is, against which invoice the partial payment is going to be made? So that invoice number you must have to give. 1033. Okay. Now what is this line item? Nothing. I think press enter. Yes. Oh my god, what is happening, guys? Special yield indicator Z. So I think, let me check it. For partial payment, SAP has already delivered special deal indicator, come down here, that is not, I think P. P is for the partial payment. Okay, so guys, whatever these things are appearing, 19 or J, right? So these things can be controlled. Which posting is supposed to appear, which special GL indicator is going to appear. So where is the control, guys? Let me check it. I think the T code is not correct. Okay, so here, double click on this. First, let's see automatic posting. Prepare automatic posting for payment program. And ZBA double click. Not this one, guys, I think. No. Okay. This is for incoming, right? Incoming payment. Here, outgoing payment. Then automatic posting. And in automatic posting, again automatic posting. Here. Okay. Now, so here also same thing is there. ZWE. Okay. So here, oh, double click on second one. And let me check here. Okay. So debit 09. Automatic outgoing payments, right? So here what we have to do, guys, this is outgoing payment, right? So the payment request which we are going to post, right? Partial payment. This is for vendor, right? So vendor means outgoing payment only, right? So here I click on the first one, not this one itself. So here what we are going to do, guys, then here we have to change debit and for credit 19, right? special indicator. Okay, so keep the same posting key, and here special GL I'm going to make it B and just save it. Now then let me check. So this could be what to say, a special GL indicator and all. How it is appearing, guys, and how this posting key. See, I'll tell you. What is the entry here, guys? A partial payment of 2000. So what is the accounting entry, guys? Someone tell me. Someone tell me. Anyone? 5,000 worth of invoice is there. Against that invoice, 2,000 worth of partial payment is going to be made. Someone want to say something? It's a very basic entry, guys, right? If someone from non-finance and account background, it's okay, right? If someone from finance and account background, if you guys are not saying such a simple accounting entries, then what will happen, right? What is the accounting entry for vendor payment, yeah? Someone just tell me. Zafar, want to say something?
Sir, I'm on travel, sir.
Okay. Be on mute. Be on mute. Lots of noises come. You're in travel, okay? It's okay. Someone just sent a message here. Pretty simple. That's what I'm asking, right? Look at here, vendor debit, bank credit. That's it. Right? Now. Okay. So here, now I'll just do one thing. So keep this posting key as it is. And once again, let me check. You need to give the document number. And now look at here. Special deal indicator is appearing. But I think, yes, number is 02 is missing. So go to OBA7. Make it 01. Okay. Now press enter. Press enter here. So again we are going to get another error if you press enter. Posting key 19 is not defined for account type K. Oh my god. Yes. So instead of 19, like for vendor credit, it should be 39. Okay. And then if I save it, then let me check. Because the posting key 19, see, whatever posting keys are there guys, the posting key also, it is like, for this posting key can be used for customer related transaction posting, vendor related transaction posting, GL related transaction posting. So account type is also going to be determined. If you are able to, not here, OB41 on any posting. Okay, account type. Look at here, whether this is for customer, vendor, right? So here, what was the problem, guys? This 19 posting key was there. It is for customer, and transaction is getting posted against what? It is getting posted against vendor. Actually, this is for vendor. So that is why it is showing that 19 is not defined for account type key. See, I'll tell you. If you get such kind of message, account type A is for asset. Account type K means vendor. Account type D means customer. Account type S means GL. Account type M. Always keep in your mind. Account type system will not say account type customer or vendor or GL or material or assets. System will show this code. So A for asset, K is for vendor, D is for customer, S for GL, M for material. Okay, so this account type, guys, generally SAP is from Germany, right? So whatever this K or D or S is there, that is coming from, like, I think in German language might be the vendor, whatever the vendor name is there, starting from, in the sense vendor in German language, I think it is starting from K, customer starting from D. So that logic they have adopted initially itself. So A, K, D, S, M, right? That you need to remember. So account type K means vendor, D means customer, S means GL. Remaining A and M is okay, assets and material. These three you need to remember. Okay. So now, so that we have changed. Now if I press enter, press enter. Now posting is changed and vendor, correct vendor is appearing, press enter. So the next one is no special GL account defined for indicator P and reconciliation account. So you just do one thing, guys. Go to press double zero and you just do one thing. Click on create button, give document number 5000. Okay, and then okay. So now what is happening, guys? The payment we are going to make. So you just make it like partial payment, right? 5000, right? And here this is also supposed to be a reconciliation account, I think. So 5000, right? Let me do one thing. create one more screen. Go to where? Go to FTP API. Let me check here first. Click on special GL. These are for D means customer, and this is the special GL indicator. You need to come down A, and that too we have nothing to do with others. We have to check this B and give it start of account. So main reconciliation account is 2000 and another we have created is 5000. Save it. Now what happened guys? We'll do one thing. Come back here. Now if you press enter, it's working fine. So here there is an invoice against which the parcel payment supposed to be made. How much? 2000. Right? And just save it. So document number 1034. So here what is happening guys? Here, okay. So we have posted a partial payment request. For that certain configurations are supposed to be done that we have done. Partial payment request. Right? Now, okay. So if you come here, how the partial payment request will appear guys, that is noted item. You remove this special deal, one down payment is there, it's okay. We are discussing on partial payment, right? So noted item. So if you see here, now noted item appear. This 2000, double click. And if you click here, then look at here. This is also not a complete transaction guys. A complete transaction means it must be having debit and credit both, right? So, so now what is happening? Now go and run app F110. Look at here how much activities are going to be done to post a single partial payment which is a matter of second. Why it is not preferred by users through app, that you guys will come to. Save it. Click on status, proposal, start immediately. Check the proposal. So we are having only 5000. So why system has not considered guys the partial payment? Why it is not considered by system guys? Is there any clue? Any smart answer from anyone? So if you guys are able to remember, when I did configurations for down payment, right? So here special GL transactions we have given A and F only. But right now for partial payment what we have to do? We have to use B. So P I have not added here. So that is why system is unable to identify, right? So save it. Okay. Now come back here. Again run proposal. See here. Now look at here, guys. So now what is happening, guys? Whatever. Now this is partial payment and this is invoice. So still system is not going to consider your partial payment, guys. This will be considered only if you block this invoice. So double click here. We are unable to block, right? Why? Because we have clicked on display proposal. Click on edit proposal. Double click on 5,000 and apply a block. Now if you come back, then look at here, guys, what is happening. Oh my god. No, 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 no. This 2000 is coming under exceptions, right? So it means everything is missing, guys. Okay, so 5,000 is being selected by system. So I think you are missing something, guys. This 2000 should appear in the green color actually, but I click on reallocate, then let me check what is happening. Wait. I think I'm making some mistakes somewhere. These are the end user related activity, guys, right? So end users are doing on regular basis. So it's very difficult to remember. So I'll just do one thing, double click on 2000 and double click on this one. And if I click on reallocate, then what happened? Then here it is coming, right? And then if I if I block 5,000 and save it, then 2000 is coming, right? So now what is happening, guys? Save it once and then run the payment. Look at here how much difficulties are there, guys. Now just come back and refresh. So here what happens? Okay. So now look at here, guys. What is happening? The partial payment got posted worth of 2000, right? Original invoice is worth of 5,000. It's okay. 2,000 worth of partial payment we have posted. Both are open item only. But here overall balance is 3,000. Right? Now, earlier whatever the request was there, that is cleared. Now here is the partial payment which is posted. Right? And if you have to make the final payment, then again this one is also a bit critical. Make it be. It is not appearing here. What is happening? Let me see. Okay. Now, from the proposal, click on display proposal. So look at here now 3,000 worth of invoice, right? So just do one thing simply, and if you check here, then what happened, guys? 3,000 itself is getting posted, right? So if 3,000 is getting posted, if I run the payment, then I think, let me check whether the system is going to clear this automatically or manually clearing is going to happen. Okay, now it got cleared, right? There is no open item. So what is happening, guys? What is the challenge? The challenge is again pretty simple. So the challenge is for partial payment also what we have to do, we have to create a partial payment request against that particular invoice, right? And apart from this, again certain activities, reallocations, right? Whatever partial payment request we have created, right? So that's supposed to be allocated to that particular invoice. So that amount is going to be, so from invoice that amount is going to be minus, and that much worth of payment is going to be posted by system, right? So the process, look at here, if any end user is going to have a look on this, they will not take even a minute also. Within a second they will say, no, we are very much okay with the manual itself. Why? Because this much activity is supposed to be done. So, but this is how it is going to be. So even partial payment also can be made, guys. Partial payment, we can make partial payment also. If someone says that can we make a down payment through APP? Yes. Can we make a partial payment through APP? Yes. Question is how? How can we? So you have to say initially few configuration steps are there. First of all, special GL indicators will come into picture. So those special GL indicators are supposed to be assigned in FBZP against our company code, right? So whatever special GL indicators are there, that is going to be assigned. And then what happened, guys? Then very simple. If down payment is going to be posted, right? GL creation, if you say it's okay, even if you don't say also it will okay. There is no issues. Of course, everyone knows that for partial payment or sorry for whatever this reconciliation accounts are there, uh, you know, like this is a GL only, right? Now, so if that configurations means at least you have to say that against our company code we have to assign the special GL indicator, right? And then what do you have to do? Then in case of down payment, we have to post a down payment request. In case of partial payment, we have to post a partial payment request. Why it is required? Then you have to say that this is not a manual transactions. In APP, how SAP will come to know that I want to make a down payment against a particular invoice or against a particular vendor. So first of all, we have to notify the system. So that is why a noted item must be posted. It is not a complete transactions, simply a kind of instruction which is going to be given to the system. And same thing is there in case of partial payment also. So partial payment also can be made. We have to create a partial payment a request. Okay, so this is how it is going to happen, guys. Hope you guys are able to understand. And so that's all in this is, guys.